Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to turn a cupcake into a pineapple cupcake. If you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. To start drawing our cupcake, we're going to draw a straight line across the bottom and then two diagonal lines, one on each side of the straight line. This is going to make the bottom of our cupcake. To start drawing our frosting, we're going to draw about 3 or 4 cloud shapes along the top of our paper bottom. And then before we do the sides, we're going to do the top so we can determine how tall our cupcake is. And we do that with a rounded shape. And then we join the top to the bottom with sides. And then these are just cloud shapes to finish off the frosting. For our eyes, we're going to draw 2 round circles. And then inside each of those circles, we're going to draw one big circle and one smaller circle. This will be the reflection of light in the eyes. For the mouth, we draw a straight line across and a V shape on the bottom. Now we're going to start turning our cupcake into a pineapple. And I want to make a part for the green leafy part to stick out of. So I'm going to draw a curved shape above the eye. And then out of that curved shape, it'll look like the green stuff is stuck in. So I draw it right from that curved line, and I draw a curved line and come back down for each leaf. Then I'm going to draw lines on the frosting, and so this will look like the outside of a pineapple. So I draw curved lines across, leaving quite a bit of space between them. And then I draw the same kind of curved line, but the other direction, crossing the first lines. And then when I'm going to work on the paper cup on the bottom, I draw a straight line down the middle and then 2 lines on each side of that so that it looks like paper. And now I'm going to outline most everything with the black permanent marker. I'm just not going to do the lines that make the outside of the pineapple in the black. So for those lines, I'm going to use a thin brown permanent marker. If you don't have a thin brown permanent marker, a black one will work just fine. I'm going to erase some of the pencil that I missed. And now it's time to start coloring. And I'm going to use the yellow for the frosting. A green for the leafy part on top. And then for the cupcake paper, you can use whatever colors you want. I'm going to use 2 different browns. Kind of matches the brown lines that I made on the yellow part. A little pink for the mouth. And the pineapple cupcake is done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming, and I'm going to be transforming a lot more cupcakes and a bunch of other things.